Hello everyone. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's simple yet surprisingly powerful. The benefits of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Olive oil is just a common kitchen staple, right? Well, it turns out, this golden liquid is packed with benefits that can transform your health in ways you wouldn't expect. First off, let's talk heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce levels of bad cholesterol in your blood and increase cardiovascular health. By taking just a tablespoon of olive oil first thing in the morning, you set up your heart for a healthier day. Next up, digestion. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can help to lubricate your digestive system, making it easier for food to pass through. It also has a mild laxative effect, which can help prevent constipation and keep your gut running smoothly. And did you know that olive oil is also fantastic for your skin? Its antioxidant properties mean that it can help prevent premature aging and skin damage. A daily dose of olive oil might just keep your skin glowing and hydrated. But it doesn't stop there. Olive oil has been linked to better blood sugar control. This is particularly beneficial first thing in the morning, as it can help stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day, which is crucial for maintaining energy and preventing crashes. So how do you incorporate this into your daily routine? It's simple. Start with a tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil every morning before your breakfast. Make sure it's extra virgin, as this type has the most antioxidants and health-promoting properties. Remember, while olive oil offers a plethora of health benefits, it's still important to consume it in moderation, as it is high in calories. Integrating it into a balanced diet and lifestyle is key to unlocking its full potential. There you have it. A few compelling reasons to start your day with olive oil on an empty stomach. It's a small change that could make a big difference in your overall health. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And as always, stay healthy and stay informed. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how you can live your healthiest life. See you next time.